Hi, this is Steve Gacovino at the law offices of Gacovino and Lake. I'm an accident attorney in Sayville, New York. Thanks for watching this video today. Today's topic, the 5 things that you need to know if you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident. Well, here are the 5 things. First thing, if you've been injured, seek medical attention. The second thing that you need to know, call the police. The third thing that you need to know, contact your insurance company because there's rights that you need to preserve. The fourth thing that you need to know, if you have continued pain after the accident, make sure that you continue to seek medical attention. The fifth thing that you need to know, there are certain tests that inevitably help bolster your case and help the doctor's diagnosis. Okay, well, let's start with number 1. We said if you've been in an accident and you've been injured, that you need to seek medical attention. Well, why do you need to do that? You need to do it because your health could be at risk. You're not sure what kind of an injury you suffered. You're not sure if you have an internal injury. The only way that that's going to be determined is if you have a doctor or a medical professional look at you. On the other side of that, the legal side of it, is if at some point you intend to make a claim for the injuries that you sustained as a result of this accident, well, the injury is well documented. Your claim is well documented. If your shoulder hurts at the scene of an accident, if your knee hurts at the scene of an accident, if your back hurts at the scene of an accident, report it to somebody. An insurance company is inevitably going to look at the case down the road, and if you didn't seek those things and you really had these claims, well, they're going to say, how badly could this person have been hurt at the accident? They never complained of the shoulder, they never complained of their back until, a week later or 2 weeks later after the accident. Well, the way to prevent that problem from happening is if you have pain, seek medical attention. The second issue that we discussed, call the police. If you've been hurt, the police should really be at the scene. It's important in documenting the case. It's important for the credibility of a case later on. Inevitably, an insurance company is going to say, how badly could this person have been hurt? They didn't even call the police. Well, if you're physically capable of doing it, call the police. And if you're physically capable, take photos of the vehicles that were involved in the accident. Take photos of the vehicle scene. Again, that's if you're physically capable. The third thing that you need to do is call your insurance company. Now, you might not be able to do this at the scene. You got much more important things to deal with right at that moment. But when you're physically capable, when you're relaxed enough to do it, call your insurance company and report it. The reason why you need to do this, well, there's certain rights that you have under your insurance policy. Every day counts. So make sure that you don't delay. You go ahead and you call the insurance company to help preserve those rights and take those steps. Now, the fourth thing that we discussed was if you have continued pain. This is continued pain after that initial day. If a week down the road you're continuing to have a back problem or a neck problem or a shoulder problem, you have to continue to document that injury. Not only is it important for your health, but it's also important for your case. Again, I go back to insurance companies. They will point out to us if you are not getting treatment, that if you're not getting treatment, how hurt could you have been? Yes, you can say that the person was complaining of shoulder pain, was complaining of back pain, but if it's not documented, it's as if it didn't even happen at all. And this will inevitably damage your case. So to prevent that from happening, if you have physical complaints, if you have physical pain, make sure that you get those medical needs addressed. It's very important. And then finally, the fifth thing that you need to know, there are certain tests that are very helpful in determining what is the extent of your injury. Well, there's x-rays, there's MRIs, there's CAT scans. When your doctor recommends them, make sure you get them. These are the tests that can show whether or not you've suffered soft tissue damage, such as a disc problem or a ligament problem. The x-rays test to see whether you've suffered a fractured bone. It's all very important, and all these steps come together to build the foundation of a possible personal injury lawsuit, a possible personal injury case. We handle those cases. Call us if you have questions. Call us if you've been involved in an accident. Call us if you've had injuries. The number here is 1-877-785-5800. Thank you for watching this video today.